everyone, we're here to talk about IKEA section cabinets today. This is our beautiful module kitchen system that we wanted to show you. First of all, this is our Oxted kitchen cabinet door. The great thing about section is that you can customize it to anything that you like. So we have beautiful glass doors in this traditional door style. We've mixed and matched the different door styles with the new Oxted green. That is a very fashionable color right now. The other thing that you can do is add your own hardware. You can either have a very modern style where you have integrated handles, or you can add this more traditional style where you have a knob, and then also something that's very in is having these long handles on your drawer fronts. And so this is just some of the beautiful things that you can do with section.
So tradition's not your style. We have a ton of different modern door styles. You can really mix and match, like Abby mentioned, and really create your own kitchen that's unique to you.
Yeah.
So Abby, what do you think is one of the most frustrating things that people have at home in their own kitchen?
I would say that usually the functional layout isn't working for them.
You are correct. So yes, a lot of people complain about not having enough storage, but one of the other complaints is having the proper layout, or what we call the work triangle in the kitchen. So you can see, even in this large kitchen, it's important to have the work triangle close proximity so that you can easily function even in a large space. So here we have the fridge placed near a sink so that you can easily move vegetables and food that you need to rinse or prepare in the sink quickly from the fridge, and then have a space next to your sink that you can easily prep and rinse as well. And then when easily something like this, prepped, moved, you can easily move it next to, and having some proper space next to your cooking so that you can move and transfer the food that you prepped in your cooking zone. And then the other thing to remember is to have a drawer nearby your cooking zone so that you can really easily get the utensils that you need quickly. Because when you're cooking, you don't have a lot of time to watch the stove and try to find that utensil that you really need. As well as you can use our rail system to also hang some of those utensils that you need. Like pot holders are always important and easy at access to. And then so the other thing is, when you're done cooking, is to have a dishwasher next to your sink so that you can easily do some rinsing if you need to, easily load the dishwasher, and sometimes
and it's magical.
Yes, it disappears with our integrated door and dishwasher, which is beautiful, right? You don't always want to see all of your appliances either. And then if you're right or left-handed, sometimes you want to have the dishwasher on the left or the right. Most of the time you'll find it on the right hand because most people are right-handed. I am left-handed, so I would prefer to have it.
Oh, I didn't know that about you.
Yes.
Okay, you're more creative. Anyway, this is such a beautiful kitchen to be in, and IKEA can really customize your kitchen to be anything that you want. And the best thing about it, it does have a 25-year limited warranty, so please come check us out at the store and online. Thank you.